Hey, there you are. Hey, welcome to Orlando and the 2018 Florida Tow Show. I am so excited to show you what Jerr-Dan has to offer this year. So we're gonna host the opening night on Thursday. Come check out the Jerr-Dan booth right here by this big blue truck. We got food and giveaways. Enjoy. As a single brand leader in the towing and recovery industry, we've brought some of our newest and most impressive trucks to the show ever, like this red 50-ton. You'll see the diverse product line that includes carriers, wreckers, rotators, as well as the full JFB family lineup. You'll have access to the Jerr-Dan financial solutions throughout the weekend, so talk to them about financial options. Come see us at booth 823. We can't wait to kick off this year's Florida Tow Show. Come out to our kickoff party Thursday, April 5th at 7 o'clock and come right here to the Jerr-Dan booth. You can even get a special gift, but I can't guarantee how long they'll last. Stop by.